Alright guys, it's only when I cycle that my megaphone sounds like a steam whistle. Right. Oh, let's do it. Let's do it. Steam train coming. Studio. Pretty funny disturbance. Put the mic. Ew, it smells like cow shit here. Let's do one more. One quick one. There's deeper. But I'm not gonna do it now since I'm at a neighborhood. So in between houses right now. Go away to all the people. If I have someday. They just put it and just make it sound like a secret. Smell the couch and sleep. Now, if there's nobody here, when I get here, let's try and do it. Last one. Go. That's the last one. I'm rushing home because I don't want like my megaphone to be damaged by the rain. Okay, it's so dark there. Tell my parents that I'm home. Yeah.
Nej, jag hävdar.
That was it. Bye.